Hi, I'm Alyn Brewis, and here is another nice car for sale. This is a 2013, what would be a 13 plate Suzuki Splash. This is a 1.2 SZ4 automatic. Now there's a couple of points there. The SZ4 is the high up the range model. The SZ, the SZ2, the SZ3, the SZ4, and I think also the SZ5. What would be a 13 plate? As you see, it has a cherished number on at the moment, which is T2JKT. That is supplied with the car, and that would be worth a little bit of money. However, if you would rather have a 13 plate on the car, we can arrange that as well. I think it's just £80 to get the number transferred done. It's presented here in galactic grey metallic, and as you can see, it's a very, very clean car inside and out. Now with the SZ4, you're getting alloy wheels, you're getting privacy glass, you're getting keyless entry and start, you're getting air conditioning, and one of the couple of bits of icing on the cake with this is it has the rare fully automatic gearbox. Well, there's not many of these around. I've had plenty of splashes, but this is the first automatic splash that I've had. They're very, very reliable. The other part of the icing on the cake is the mileage. It is only covered 29,325 miles, so that's averaging just about half the national average. It's 6,100 miles a year. I purchased it direct from its lovely elderly gentleman owner. All HPI clear, very well cared for, very, very clean. I will be putting a fresh MOT onto it, and another advantage with this is the road tax is only £135 for 12 months. If you'd like to see for yourself just what a really clean low mileage automatic this is, or have a look at any of the other 50 or so nice cars that we have for sale, feel free to give me a call, Alyn Brewis, on 01670 523344.